Hey everybody, how's it going? Got myself some illusions today I found, and I'm curious if I can get enough interest in a break or not. A friend of mine told me he's watched a few of these get open, and I figured I'd do a quick one, seeing as how this one is a little dented, so I didn't want to send that off to somebody and end up with a problem just in case there is something wrong with something in here. But I'm gonna go ahead, and I haven't done anything too big as a personal lately. I know this is only $45 box, but right now I'm trying to just pass it around and get, you know, people to my eBay page and my break group. I haven't really done. I opened two of the 12 card packs of these. I haven't done any of the blasters or anything yet, so let's see how we do tonight. See how we do tonight. I kind of like the looks of these cards myself. See, Ja got the Rookie of the Year. I saw that come across my phone earlier tonight, about 10:30. Right now it's kind of late, but I don't really do anything other than sell cards. So if you see a link at the bottom in the description, go ahead and go and check out and see what I got up right now. I got quite a selection going on. I'm getting ready to place an order tomorrow for some more stuff probably. There's stuff I haven't gotten listed yet. Trying to stay on top of my shipping and everything. I try and get things out quick. So keep that in mind if you take a look at something. It's probably going to go out the same day, if not the next day for sure. All right, see how I do here. Sakeem, Isaac. I'm thinking I'm going to try it with maybe without that light. No, I'll keep the light on. It's a clear shot, Steph Curry. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet insert. Like I said, I haven't done. I only did the two 12 card packs of these, so I just figured I'd open one up just to see how they are, see if they're worth trying to get a break done. So that's a pretty cool insert. I'll go ahead and put that up just because. And continue on here. Whoa. All right. Murray, Anthony Towns, R.J. Barrett. R.J. Barrett, rookie. Had a Chronicles break here not too long ago. Pulled quite a few pretty decent cards out of it. You guys should check out the Facebook group page and get in on the next one. Hit the subscribe button below, please. Keep watching for more videos like this. I'm gonna try and get more of them up here. more often. I just been kind of busy lately here. Cam Reddish, Terrence Davis, Peyton, and there's a Zion. Ooh, that's a pretty nice looking card. Nice. Kind of looks like there's something right there. I don't know, it might be just part of the design, yeah. Wow, that's a pretty sweet looking card. Cool. I'm happy. I'm happy. Put that one right there. Doing all right here. Just getting through the first little stack. Ingram, Irving, Kobe White. Kobe White. I mean, I think I'm glad I opened this box. I'm glad I opened this box. That's for sure. And most of this is going to be up on eBay, like not long after the video. So go ahead and watch for everything that's pulled to get listed, and if you don't see it, go ahead and try and get a hold of me in the Facebook group. I can get back with you. Klay Thompson, what do we got here? Derek Williams, auto for the Jazz, nice. Nice. Darren Williams, auto. I think it's numbered. Not numbered, but jeez. Pretty decent so far. My buddy said he didn't really think it was worth it. I'm kind of doubting that now. Jeez. Cool. Keep them coming. Lonzo, Lowry, Porter Jr. rookie, Kendrick Nunn rookie, Brooks, and here's one of the star. What is it called? Starlight. Yeah, there's a Starlight. Cool. Jeez, I'm gonna run out of stands here, fellas. That's alright. That's okay. Alright, what else? Crowder and Uchimara, rookie. Well. I'm pretty happy with this box so far. That's for sure. I mean, I know some of these are just base rookies, but still. Collins, Robinson, there's a Living Legends, Kevin Garnett. Kind of not numbered. Cool insert though. It's like it's plastic. Cool insert. Yeah, like I said, you guys, you should try and get in on the next break. I might try and do one of these. I'll see if I can get it filled or not. I mean, if this kind of stuff's gonna come out of it. Van Fleet. Well, Seth Curry, Rookie Reflections, Doumbia, and Blake Griffin. Rookie Reflections. Not numbered. Hopefully I see a numbered card out of these. I don't want the video to be too long for just one mega box, but Bowman. I'm not just going to throw down these inserts and stuff. I'm going to put them in sleeves. Umi, Cody Martin, Johnson, Shea. He's in the personal collection list right there for sure. For sure. That's going right into the PC too. So, Davis. It's Steph Curry. Grant Williams. Derrick Jones Jr. Oh, I got a numbered card finally. I'm going to go ahead and save it for last. Smith. Oh, Bull. Weatherspoon. Nice. Nice. Alright, let's see, what do I got here? Come on, be something good. Number 8 is Kawhi Leonard. Too bad it's not a auto. I was hoping. I saw the numbers, so number 24 of 199. Well, at least I got a numbered card. Kawhi Leonard, numbered 24 of 199. So that was not a bad mega box. I mean, if everything's like that, if I did a break, I mean, I think some people would be pretty happy. I don't know. What do you guys think? Go ahead, leave a comment. Pretty sweet cards. That Garnett, Living Legends, Kobe White, rookie, RJ Barrett, rookie, Steph Curry. What is that? Clear shots. Clear shots insert. Pretty cool. Starlight. And then Darren Williams auto trophy collection. So I mean, he's not a bad auto to get, I guess, right? And then of course the Zion. He didn't get rookie of the year, but this is, what is this? Instant Impact Zion. That's what it is. It's a pretty sweet card. Pretty sweet. Well, thanks for checking out the video, everyone. Hopefully you keep coming back, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more coming soon. Have a good one. Peace out. We'll see you.